Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine and safe wherever you are. Today we're gonna talk about whether you should buy a cordless blower or an electric blower. So as you can see, it was piling up. The snow was really heavy. If you like the last month in January 15 and 16. So yeah, I'm a bit late about making this video. I was doing some work, sorry guys. So yeah, as you can see, I was cleaning the snow and I was using an electric blower. I was using a Snow Joe, a 18-inch 14.5 amp blower. So here's the thing, if you buy electric blower, you have to deal with the cord every single time. You heard me right. As you can see, I am pulling this cord, I am pulling back the blower. I mean, it's kind of like a pain in the ass. And if you buy a cordless, in that case, you can see you just have to kind of like, it's really easy to move and it's pretty smooth, and it's goes really nice and easy. And you might have to buy a another 1 or 2 battery for that, because that's going to give you more affordability and kind of like more flexibility, because you can use the other battery instead of the that one. So consider buying, by judging the advantages and disadvantages, because excuse me, because the cordless are kind of like a little bit expensive. I mean, maybe $200 more than the electric one, because this blower cost me around like $140, and cordless was costing me around like maybe $350 or more. Also, try to buy a big blower, which is kind of like really easy, because the snow was really big. It was a big pile of snow. So consider your blower. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.